Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. At the top of the Settings page, tap See More in Account Center. Tap Personal Details. Tap Contact Info. Tap Add New Contact. Select Add Email Address. Enter your new email address. Tap Next. Verify the new email. Facebook will send a verification code to your new email address. Open your email inbox and find the code. Enter the code in Facebook to confirm the email address. Remove the old email address popped. Return to Contact Info. Tap your old email address. Select Delete Email Address. Confirm the removal. Confirm the changes. Make sure your new email address is listed and set as your primary contact email. Result: your Facebook account is now connected to your new email address on Android. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.